Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel, Faisal Aziz. I hope that you're well. In the previous video, I have showed you how to write simple lambda expression or how to convert method, Java method, to lambda expression. In this video, I will show you more detail or advanced thing how to write lambda expression. So, I will reuse the three examples one by one, and I will make some change in this example. Okay? So the first one, remember, is how to display in the console hello world. Okay? For example, remember this lambda expression. So here what we have, here in the body statement, we have only one statement. Okay? What is this statement? Is system.out.println hello world. If we have, remember, this criteria, okay, or this rule, if we have only one statement in our body of our lambda expression, here we can remove the curly braces. Okay? So, now our lambda expression will be like this. Okay? So, if of course, if we have a lot of statement in the body of our lambda expression, we must let them, our curly braces, okay? Else we got an error, an exception. So, this is the first thing. If we have only one statement in our body, our lambda expression, we can remove the curly braces. So let's see now the second example. Remember, our lambda expression, it displays the sum between two of the parameters A and B. Okay? So, now, what we have here? We have the first rule. As you can see, we have only one statement in our lambda expression. So, we can remove them with the first thing. Also, here we have our two arguments have the same type, int A and also int B, int for the same thing. So here, the compiler guess that our argument, which type of our argument based on the context is the compiler. Okay, so here we can also remove the type of our argument. So the lambda expression will count like this. So just remove the type of our argument. That's two rules. The first one, if we have only one statement in our body, we remove the curly braces. And also, if our argument have the same type, we can remove the type of this argument. The compiler guess the type of this argument based on the context. Okay? Good. Let's continue. Now, the example 3. Remember, we have the method that return the length of the string. Okay? So, here we can make the first rule. Okay? We can do it. So, we have only one statement. So, we remove the curly braces. It becomes like this. The second thing, what we have here also, we have only one type. So also the compiler getting based on the context of the type of argument. So we can remove it. Also the type of our argument. So the lambda expression becomes like this. And here what we can do also, here we have the return statement, and directly the compiler now, he know automatically that we need to return something. Okay? As for the type, that's file type reference, and here the compiler know also that we need to return some value or something, so we can remove the return keyword. Okay? That's the third rule. If you have the return keyword, you can remove it. Okay? So here, just remove return keyword, and it becomes like this. Do we have also something to change? I don't know. So Lambda expression is amazing. Can do a lot of things. Do you see a difference now? The previous method, how it can be right, and now the Lambda expression with all this change. Yes, and also we have another thing. What we can do also, we have here the fourth rule, or the rule 4. So, you see in our argument we have only one argument. Okay? We have str. I don't talk about type. We have removed the type. So, finish with type. So, but we have only one argument. So, if you have only one argument, you can remove the parentheses. Okay? So our Lambda expression will be like this. Okay? So here is all the rule to write our Lambda expression. So I will make a summary of this 4 rule. First one, if you have only one statement in the body of your Lambda expression, you can remove the curly braces. It's optional. Okay? The second thing, if the type of your parameters that you give for your Lambda expression are the same, here the compiler gets automatically, based on the context, the type of your argument, so you can remove the type of your argument. Third, if you have also return keyword, compiler guess also automatically that you will need something to return, so you can remove the return keyword. And finally, if you have only one argument in your Lambda expression, you can remove a parenthesis. Okay? I hope that you understand how to convert from the normal method to the Lambda expression, and also how to make all this to simplify your Lambda expression. Do you see now how our Lambda expression is, okay, than the previous one? Who is more readable, less good, very useful? Okay? So now you must be able to write this type of Lambda expression, inshallah. And the only concern is to understand how to practice this rule, only this rule, step by step. You will be practice them very, very easily in the future, inshallah. Okay? So in the next video, inshallah, we will talk about characteristic of Lambda expression, and we continue with more example. I don't know if I will make an example in computer. I will just write directly here. So if it's necessary, I think it will be necessary. So when I make advanced thing, I will go to the computer to show you more detail. Okay, to understand very well, to make compilation, etc. Okay, so see you in the next video, inshallah. I hope you like this course until this moment, and you understand all these concepts, all the expression. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, please. And goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.